Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever time it is. I had to change my tire on that thing because it had 4 holes in it that I plugged up and didn't really work. It was a pain to get off. I had to, cut it in half and stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna put my old tire back on. This here worn down Dirt Devil knockoff. I got real Dirt Devils on that thing. But yeah. I was trying for about an hour last night and it would not go on. So I will time lapse it. And yeah. See you if I get the tire on. Alright, so as you just saw, I got one half inside the tire, and I got this half to get in. Once I get this half in, well, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't have starting fluid, so I can't do the starting fluid trick. Well, I'll figure it out. I'll put you on some more time lapse. Just thought I'd tell you I got that one half in. I don't know why. There's some chickens over there. Right there. Here's your chicken. Say hi, chickens. Okay, alright, there's no sense in boring y'all. I'll pick y'all back up when I get the tire on. Alright, so I found a little bit of brake cleaner. I don't have that much at all, so this really has to work. I'm gonna try something beating. Okay. Alright. Well, that didn't work that much, but I think I got it a little bit. We'll see if it holds there. Okay. Well, I got the one side. Alright, I'll pick y'all back up if this works. Well, I got the new tire on. Well, the old tire, but still holds there, I think. Maybe not. I hope so. Okay, well, yeah, got it on. And I'm gonna put your ball back in the time lapse. And I'm gonna throw this back on the bike. Alright guys, well, I don't have an axle nut. I lost it. One of them, I lost it. But I got the back tire on. Yes, I know it's backwards. I think it'll get more traction. I don't know. It's a theory. But, yeah. I will make a riding video on that. Maybe. I don't know. Bye.